I want to hear old Jimmy skin the blues again. Don't want to hear that latest Nashville train. Give me that Martin guitar and Gibson mandolin. I want to hear old Jimmy skin the blues again.
Hello YouTube, and welcome back to Multitool School. You know, just about everybody loves a nice assisted opening blade knife. You know, I mean, really, what's not to love? And sooner or later, somebody had to think to themselves, multi-tool, assisted opening blade, and they came up with this. It's the SOG PowerAssist Multitool. And of course the action feature of a SOG PowerAssist is the assisted opening blade. The PowerAssist comes with an assisted opening blade that has a plain edge and it comes with an assisted opening blade that is serrated. Now these blades occupy each side of this handle of the multi-tool, and the other handle has the other tools in it. You have a file, a bottle opener, a nice Phillips screwdriver, a plain edge screwdriver, a can opener, and a V cutter. So you've got a pretty good set of tools, and with the SOG you have bolts right here that can be removed with ordinary tools, and that allows you to remove any of these items and replace them with others that you can buy from SOG, such as a pair of scissors and various other implements that you can swap out here. Now the pliers on this SOG PowerAssist are pretty substantial. These are big heavy-duty pliers, and they come with the feature that they call the compound leverage, which is these gears that you see right here, and they provide what SOG calls compound leverage when you use these pliers. Now, this is the Super Tool 300, and the SOG is just about the same size, and they're shaped about the same. There's the the two sets of pliers. And of course the Super Tool 300 is the large heavy-duty Leatherman. So the SOG PowerAssist is going to be in that same category of large heavy-duty tools. So the next time you have one of your folding blade knives and you do this, think about this. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.